easy money lurks people, and scammers are taking an advantage of it. If you don't want to get fooled, then watch this video right now and inform yourself. So yeah, even in cryptocurrency you can get scammed, and scammers have advantage. They can be fully anonymous and no one will know who are they actually. Okay, let's start. So the first scam is called Ponzi. So yeah, just Ponzi. So it's named after the person whose name was Ponzi. So it's like this. He said, okay, give me your money, I will return it 100% in 90 days. So let's say you give him $100 and you'll take back 100% of your investment in 90 days. Yeah, and you probably will get earning, but if we will do math here, it's like 100 divided by 90, it's around roughly 1% per day. So you're earning 1% of your investment per day. Well, and this can be flexible. Some scammer can say you can earn 100% of your investment in 40 days, or even 30, or even 10. So it depends on the scammer. But the thing is, you shouldn't really focus on the monthly earnings and on the daily earnings. You should focus on yearly earnings, because this is how stock performance is calculated. They don't report their profit on the monthly basis. Yeah, I'm not saying that you can't really earn daily. You can open up a business and earn or multiply your money within days or even months, but you need to think about it and analyze it. Maybe it's a scam, who knows. And for example, it's Bank of Tron. Okay, so Bank of Tron says like 3.7%. Well, it's Ponzi, yeah. So so let's say you just put $100, just 100 TRX or 100 worst dollars, okay, and you'll get 3.7% daily rate, which is $37. So you get $37 per day, and you'll get that forever. Yeah, that's shady, right? Or you can invest in 4.7 and get 45 days, and you won't earn anymore on the 46th day. Yeah, so you get like 200, yeah, roughly 200% in return. Yeah, this is shady. I mean, this is shady because they are not explaining how they are earning, how they are using your money, okay? They are just like, okay, just give me your money, we will return it. Yeah, wait, but then if it's a scam, can I really earn it? Well, you can earn on the scam. Like, I'm not saying you set up this scam and scam other people. No, it's not like that. You can, so you will continue earning if new investors will come, okay? So let's say you joined firstly this scam, like you invested and some new investors came, then they give money to the smart contract, and smart contract gives it to you and gives it to them. Then when it comes to, like, let's say 30 days, when it comes to 25th day, smart contracts just run out of money and no one will get money anymore until new investors came, okay? Yeah, it's just how it works. Or you can reinvest. And put your level down here, so you'll be considered as a new investor. Yeah, so people who joined after you but didn't reinvest will get profit from you from now. So basically you don't need to join it. But how you can check, are you first? So you can go to this contract and you can check when it's creation time. So it's created on the fourth month and the 9th date. So you see, like, is it like yesterday or already 1 month? So you analyze like that. But anyway, you shouldn't join it because you're just going to waste your money and mostly importantly your time, because you're going to wait, and this website can shut down anytime. Okay, if it's shut down, I can go to, you might say, oh, I can go to contract and I can just withdraw from there. Yeah, you're right. You can call here. Oh wait, not call. Yeah, contract. Yeah, you can write the contract and here you can withdraw. You can call this method. Yes, you can withdraw your money even if the website is shut down, but you can't withdraw in the case if contract is drained, like here, $0, 0 tricks, or the contract will have unverified source code. Yeah, so unverified means you don't know where your money is going. You just invested your money. You just lose your money. Okay, let's say you invested your money, you put your money there, and you don't know what's gonna happen until you're gonna click on these buttons. But because you can't really go through the code, you can't navigate, inspect it, so it's unsafe to use unverified code. But even if it's verified code, this Ponzi scheme is gonna fall anyway. Okay, and even if code is verified, it doesn't mean that it's secure. You still need to go through that code and check for the backdoors. What do I mean by the backdoors? So developer can set a function like withdraw, or let's say developer will have a function like only dev can withdraw. Okay, there will be like this function. Yeah, so it will be like false initially, so everyone is withdrawing, everyone is fine, everyone is happy, and then one day it just stopped because developer changed this to the true. It became true. So yeah, I mean, they can't change the code, but they can make it in the call section, in the contract, write contract, and they can make it like only dev can withdraw it, yes or not. Then developer will put like yes, from now, yes, only dev can withdraw, and it will be checked like if address is equal to dev address, then I will do this command, only dev can withdraw is true, because it's not a stranger, it's our dev, right? So yeah, this is basically how they can scam you. And what's the other thing? The other thing is just a pyramid scheme. Yeah, maybe you heard about Forsythron, right? So Forsythron is basically this pyramid scheme. So let's say you joined this, you paid any amount, 400 or 700, depends on the scammer. Scammer can put any amount that he wants or she wants. So you pay this, and now new people will join under your ref link. So this money will go to you, and it depends on the code. If code is written like 50% of this money will go, then you'll just receive 50%. You can even receive all 100%. Yeah, and they will be like, also like new people will join, and it will be like 50% to here, and other 50% is to the upper level. Yeah, this is basically how this pyramid works, and you shouldn't join this. There is no really profit, so you need to persuade other people. Again, waste your time, waste your money if no one will join. And basically it's just the circles. Everyone is running, everyone is becoming someone's ref, someone's pyramid. Yeah, and only dev is earning money. So you invite someone, this money go to you, and that money go to him, that money go to the upper. Yeah, it goes away until the first really level. So you got it. Yeah, you got it. The next thing is tokens. Yeah, basically it's like they scam you on tokens. Let's say there is like a token, you buy some token. Okay, so there are like two types of tokens that I have met. So first one, let's talk about first one. First one is like this. Now the token price is $25, and it increases every time. Like it will be $26 tomorrow. So you bought this token right now. So you bought one token right now for 25. Then you can sell this one token for 26. Yes, you might be like, wow, this is so legit. I bought this for 25 and selling for 26. But what's wrong with that? Let's imagine, so this price is not the market price. This price is just set by the contract, like +1 linear increase every day. Okay, it's just by the contract. So what's wrong here? So let's say like 10 people bought this for 2050. Okay, okay, now next day it was 2060, right? It became 2060, and these 10 people wants to sell these tokens. Okay, now there is only $20.50 in the contract, and when all people want to sell it, where the contract is going to get this $10, this spare $10? Where? So like 9 people sold it, and contract is almost drained, and it can't sold for the 10th people, right? Because there is no $10 spare $10. Yeah, this is basically how this worked. It became $26. Someone bought it, let's say, and sold it when it was like 28, let's say. And where the contract is going to get this $2, spare $2? Of course, it's running out of money, and the money is coming only from the new investors. Okay, so if new people are buying this token, then you're going to get this token, you're going to sell it properly. Okay, and who is earning? Only creator of this earning. So the developer is going to, the scammer is going to probably generate, let's say, 100 tokens, wait until some time, and like wait until for some time, and when new people will buy it, he's going to sell it partially, maybe, or even immediately everything. Yeah, so basically how he's earning. So remember, contract cannot make money from the air. Money should come from somewhere, from someone, and go to somewhere or someone. Okay, and what's the second scam? So it's just like developers are creating the new token and selling it to you, and the price is wait. So we know the market price. So let's say we have one token, and devs have all these tokens. Okay, so dev is creating a virtual or how to say, artificial demand. So price is increasing on the market. Market thinks, wow, more people want it and less people want to sell it, so let's higher the price so sellers will have motivation to sell it right now. So it will be like higher price than usual, and the devs will sell all the tokens, and this moment is called pump. So token price is pump right now, and people gonna be like, okay, now what? And dev can probably disappear or even not explain everything, or dev cannot just hold this situation forever. So one day users are gonna be like, okay, now what? And start to sell this. Okay, users are selling, but who's going to buy it? No one, right? So price is going to be lowered, because market is like, oh, everyone is trying to sell it but no one is buying it, then let's lower the price, because like buyers will have more motivation to buy it or buy more than usual. So okay, yeah, now this moment is called dump. Yeah, so rise and lowering. Yes, basically like this. To track these hackers, how to reveal their real identity, how to stop this scamming, how to not be scammed, then I allow you to subscribe me on YouTube right now. Just joking, guys, but I will really appreciate your subscription, like, and your comment about anything. Like if you detected a new suspicious link or any project that could be potentially scam, let me know in the comments and I will surely review it just for you. Alright, see you in the next video.